Friends, today we will see about anterior tap, lateral tap and posterior tap, that is transverse abdominis plane block for fan and steel incisions. If you keep the probe in subumbilical line, you will see the AS and the tap plane. Here you will see the three muscles. You can see the hypoacoustic shadow on the probe marker, which is nothing but an anterior superior iliac spine. And then you will see the three muscles, the external oblique, internal oblique and the transverse abdominis. You see the three dots close to the needle, which is nothing but your iliohypogastric and iliac nerve. When you deposit a drug, if you get a linear spread like this, you are in the right plane, right tap plane, which is nothing but here between your internal oblique and transverse abdominis, where you will have your ilioinguinal nerve, iliohypogastric nerve and deep circumflex artery, which will cover the subumbilical fan and steel incisions for inguinal hernia repair and in cesarean sections. This is for lateral tap. The probe position is kept in between the right cost margin and the highest point of iliac crest. Needle entry point is anterior to posterior, as you see here. You will have an assistant who is stretching the skin while I am holding the probe and the needle in my left hand. You are seeing the three muscles, the external oblique, internal oblique, the needle crossing the external oblique now into the internal, now onto the internal oblique and then into the tap plane just above the transverse abdominis. Just give few aliquots of local anesthetic, hydrodissect and see where you are. If you don't see the needle, don't give local anesthetic. Just get a needle in point, then give further 2 aliquots, 2 ml of local anesthetic. You are seeing the linear spread. Then you give 5 ml of local anesthetic. Then you can give the further 20 ml of 0.2% ropivacaine or 0.25% bupivacaine with adjuvants like dexamethasone. This is for posterior tap. You keep a sandbag under the buttock so that you see the posterior end of the transverse abdominis, that is the tapering end of the transverse abdominis, just above the quadratus lumborum. Here you are seeing the external oblique and the internal oblique and the tapering of the transverse abdominis. You can see the patient is breathing, and the just below that you will see the abdominal content, abdominal bowels, so that you see. Then you drop your needle just above the transverse abdominis. When you get that linear spread, you deposit the further local anesthetic. Now we can clearly see just above the transverse abdominis the local anesthetic is spreading in a linear fashion. If you get this sign, then it will be a very good positive block, rather than injecting into the internal oblique or the transverse abdominis muscle. That linear spread is a good positive sign for a successful blockade. Slowly, as you see here, the linear spread, I am giving further ml of local anesthetic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.